Hello everyone, today I will show you how to recover Snapchat messages. And here's how it's done. To recover messages on Snapchat, open the app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the gear icon in the top right to open settings. Scroll down and find the My Data option under the Account Actions section. Tap on it. You'll be taken to a page showing all the available data you can request. Enable Export HTML files recommended. Then scroll down and choose the data types you want to include. Tap Next. Select the time range. Example, all time. Confirm your email and tap Submit. Once ready, Snapchat will send you a downloadable file containing your previous data, including recoverable messages. And that is everything to know about how to recover Snapchat messages. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.